Right, gentlemen, where are we heading today?
St Andrews.
St Andrews? You know what, I never checked my tyre pressure.
See, when you come in the street, I was away. I'll go round that circle and come back to see what mine were.
Ah, I'll check it when you're fueling up, eh? Because remember I fixed a puncture another day there.
Really tall bikes.
I forgot all about this, to check it. These plugs never leak anyway, like, but...
What do you normally put the back one at? Is it 37.5?
33.
Is that
Yeah, 36, sorry.
No, 37.5 is what the garage puts them at. Just put 37.5. 37.5 on the back and 33 on the front. That's where they set it. Because
37.5.
that's bang on.
Right, we're all gassed up. Gasoline.
Hang on. Hang on a minute. Put my helmet in. Wait a minute.
Look at him with his fucking gook suit, John, eh?
You look at the bar, I'll tell you that. You look at the GS with the fucking greatest suit, definitely looks the bar.
You should never put dust right in. You should be waterproof.
Well, I'm
fucking soaked.
I've got rope things on the top, but I've just got the jeans on, so. But they do dry off anyways.
There she is, the Queen's for a crossing.
No, a nice place to look and a wee shop, bar. Can you do that?
Aye.
I could do that. Oh, I'm not, yeah, that's where I used to go there, when I'm up there,
Yeah. Ah, there's the sign. Is it?
Yeah.
The two Stroms. How's that, Alex?
Exactly.
We're
That's
side-
our whole fucking thing.
We're side by side now, Alex. We're just like a big fortress of light.
Oh, we should have been good here, aye.
We're taking this one?
Yeah.
Right.
Have we got good here? We could use the bus lanes, couldn't it?
Well, it says buses only. unless you want to go into the park and ride, eh? Inverkeithing.
Oh, shit.
Aye, well, we were here a couple of months ago, mind.
Yeah, I know. It's
Eyeball. 0, this is 1 for a radio check. I haven't shaved for 2 days, I'm like a fucking gorilla.
Talking your bus.
No, I'm talking about my face.
no, we missed you again. We're stuck with traffic.
I know, you got to wonder, you got to ask yourself, where are all these knobs coming from? Eh? Oh. I stalled it.
Oh, no!
Aye. But in saying that, I think that's only the third time I've stalled this bike, so that's not too bad.
I'm still with you.
Ah, you're talking pish.
Oh, I'm not still not with you.
Have you not?
No.
Look at you, eh?
But they can't get a right hand turn, but I can fuck it. I'm not still with you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, I see him. He's just a couple of cars ahead, aye. You can't miss him with that suit on, eh?
Can't miss your fucking lights.
Exactly.
What's wrong with my suit?
Your, what do you call it? Your gook suit.
My boots.
Your gook suit. You look good in it though, Alex. There's a roof box melt.
What way am I going? Straight on?
Straight over
Straight
there.
on. Straight.
You're alright, in you come, in you come.
Follow the gooks out.
Follow the gooks at Kirkcaldy.
Go on left here.
Go left, yeah.
Left.
Because I'll just take you into the house and stay there.
It's one of them shit all over the place, eh?
It is now, eh?
Oh, okay. It's a truck cap off his goal. Oh, yes. This is where all the fucking trucks are. Supposed to have a big truck race last week. Fucking 3 of the guys were lucky with it. I've got it.
Were they?
Right.
This cunt fucking playing golf.
Talking about shots, stuck out the car.
That's alright. No rush. Absolutely no rush. Take your time, but hurry up. He's just spotted me now, eh? Because he started to move over.
Just slow down a bit.
It's alright. Come on.
Hit the bridge.
Aye, T-Bridge.
No.
Aye, aye, aye.
That's it. It's this way. Yeah, it's quick enough.
You got a new friend there, Alex?
Mate, it's fucking noisy.
Is it? I can hear it from here.
Oh, can you fucking be asked for that? Can you be asked for that?
Nah, I smell it as well.
I just take the baffle right in me. I'll keep the baffle with me while you do that.
You're a fucking idiot.
You've been fucking bombing past this, he's one car ahead.
Yeah, no. He's standing on the outside all the time, just fucking trying to nip up the middle of all that traffic.
And everybody would fucking know he's behind them because you can hear him.
I can smell him.
He'll get overtaken him just out of madness.
I would if I would have been right past all of these. I'd have been right down to the front, like. Right, users are shite bags.
That's good, man. I reckon. Fuck's sake. Mr. Gear, that was fucking clumsy.
It was, because you made me stop.
Aye, that was clumsy.
Ah, no feet down for me.
Feet down for me.
John's not saying fuck all, Alec. You know why? Because he had to put his feet down.
He makes it.
Aye, put his feet down.
I did. Fucking stop. Fucking went around the other door of the car.
Well, it is, Alec, is it's piss poor planning, eh? He's not planning fuck all. He's too busy dreaming about what he's going to buy for his bike, eh?
He needs some remedial training.
Aye.
Yippee.
You can fucking follow to that hole you put my feet in.
Yeah, I knew that.
That's good.
Balance it in, eh?
Aye. No feet down, be yours. Here's all. See, John's listening and he's paying attention.
I always listen to you guys. You're just a fucking sea of knowledge.
No, I don't know about that, like. Hello.
Somebody might stink, doesn't it?
Aye, the ones were a wee bit stinky poos. Oh, and he fart again. Oh,
You reckon?
how's about a bun? You talk some shite, John, eh?
No, that's the house. No way to run the wee lassie over.
That's about 3 times he's done that today. We need to have a word with him, John.
Yep. Keeps going through the amber.
Aye, he's an amber gambler.
It's smart.
See, the reason why he does that is because he doesn't know what to touch his brakes, John. So at the end of the ride he can say, look how many times I've used my brakes.
I don't mind that. I'm back over the front.
That's what they are. I hardly ever use my front.
Yeah.
It's just,
I use my front if I really go to stop quick.
well, just tell us to go left.
Just ignore
I
it.
don't know. It's probably just a quicker way. That's a bit cool.
No, I've not got mine on.
Don't be like that, big boy.
Now, girls, behave. Stop bitching. I wonder what that island is.
Tell you what, I think you made the right decision coming up this way, eh?
I think so, John. This was your decision today.
Oh no, I'm just rare, mate. That was just the fucking the middle seat.
You picked the route.
And then up here, I'm like,
Look at the time it gets in hand, it looks like blue skies.
Aye.
I think the rain's coming in from the west, so we'll probably catch it on the way in.
I hope not.
Sorry,
Aye.
as long as I just get on the way in, then you just get me it's no, you know, smoking all day.
Welcome to Crail.
Right, so here's that racetrack. I don't think there's anything on it today. Just knows here or something.
How, you want a wee shot on it?
Rail racetrack.
Look at this parking. See, this fucking parking should be fucking banned.
I'm gonna make roads yet.
Totally.
Next up here.
Yeah, this'll do. Right in there.
Just watch this, I dip.
Yeah, I know, I see that.
I'll put it on this. Okay. You think?
Well, get it.
You want to dance?
Right, used to behave, eh? Fucking horny bastards, a pair of yous.